Alright y'all, here's an unboxing video of this 44-inch Harbor Breeze Cedar Shoals indoor-outdoor ceiling fan. Picked it up at Lowe's for $26 on clearance. So I'm assuming it's been discontinued. So when you open it up, here's what you see. You have your downrod cover, instructions, your light bulbs, your hardware bag, 1, 2, 3, 4, all 5 of your blade brackets, which you can see, there they are. The blades, which on one side are wicker, and on the other side are wood grain. Underneath the blades is the light kit. Here it is. Okay. The downrod is underneath the blades as well. Underneath this assembly is this. You have the light glass, just a bowl. Right here is the canopy with the mounting bracket. There's the top half of the light kit. I've never seen a 2-part light kit before. Like this, anyway. Okay. So it goes on like this. There's the pull chain right there, like that. And it fits through that other half. Sorry about the mess. I'm doing some spring cleaning. That's why these fans are out. And anyway, so it goes under like this, and then the light kit screws on here, and this screws onto the bottom of the motor, which looks like, well, I'll flip it over for you. Whoa, sliding. Whoa, still sliding. There you go. Light kit screws on here, like this. And then you can either put the cap, see the pull chain goes through, or you can put the light kit, which is under the blades. Anyway, there it is, Cedar Shoals. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, stay tuned. Bye.